Welcome back, everybody. Ladies and gentlemen, for those of you who never subscribed before, make una subscribe, and make una share, and make una make sure see una press that best sign. The news when I want to talk about today, and about that woman when they kill. This is one of the continuation. We go keep on talking about the woman until we get the final news when see waiting they don't do to those people when we say na then kill the woman. You understand? So, ladies and gentlemen, we'll go into the news. The news they tell us say that woman when they kill in Aso Rock, the woman name again. In fact, they make I just read the headline for. I mean, may not be like say now we they make them up. That's why they tell on all the time. Say now waiting them they tell us in Nigeria now we they give to owner. You understand? Now the same thing when they tell on for those of you when not get money to buy newspaper or when not get television inside house when they take the they watch. So when I get phone, when I get everything, when I get internet, make una hear what happen about this same woman. The real news now don't still come out again say Slim Aso Rock director. Her name na Latitia. Police make 2 arrests. And this news they come from PM News. Okay? This woman, her name na Latitia Nankang Dagan, an assistant director of administration at the presidential villa. No, not forget, say, inside the same villa, now they kill them, where all these people, all of them, they live. Okay? The news they tell us say today, say police don't already make a headway in their investigation when they can take arrest 2 people when we see then they involved in the matter concerning the assassination of this lady when be director when they work for President Muhammadu Buhari and when they still kill in the Aso Rock Villa. Okay, the news they come out today when be on Wednesday. According to source, the police they already don't arrest 2. The reason why the way when they take arrest this to be say those people when go kill this lady, not be only killing when they kill this lady in her apartment, ladies and gentlemen, they already rape this lady before they come kill her. After raping the lady, they come murder this woman in cold blood, ladies and gentlemen. As they do what they do when they kill the woman, finish, so they can't take off. It can't be say they forget their telephone. Now so police take catch these 2 people according to the news. They go away, they made away with the lady phone. Can't forget their own. Make una see how God they take work. Because when we say una hand stained with blood. I say now so God they take the catch on una go do finish do like say una don't succeed. Don't carry the person phone run. Whereas on our own phone una go forget them. Now so police take catch these wicked evil people when kill this woman in Aso Rock. And the people when they talk this thing now people when know about the killing, all of them they inside Aso Rock. Those when know about the investigation regarding the assassination of this director. So now so police they can't carry their phone when they abandon, can't they go trace the suspect them, trace them, reach where they can't nab them one after the other. This woman when they kill now 47 years old. In fact, the news they tell us now say these people now when kill the woman according to what in the news they talk, ladies and gentlemen, this one are PM News. Then be drug dealers close to her home. Now they do their drug. Now so in fact they still police people when catch these people, then all of them they live close there, almost in the same area when these police people and the drug dealers, the killers, all of them live in the same area. But the woman they inside Aso Rock because these drug dealers they're not inside Aso Rock, but then they nearby. Then they nearby there. And the police station, the people when they investigate according to what the news they tell us, all of them they close. So now it make police come fit trace these people, come nap these people. So, the source dismisses the speculation to her death. When they can say the death, so they don't dismiss, so ladies and gentlemen, they don't dismiss, so after again now they go say, now then go come talk, now then go say no, now then go do this, now then go that. Again, the thing connect to Abba Kyari again. Because they say the killing, the killing, according to speculation, the thing when make them kill this lady, say it dey in connection with the leak of a December 9, 2019 memo sent to Abba Kyari, the Chief of Staff to Mr. President Muhammadu Buhari by the National Security Advisor, Major General Baba Agena Monguno. Una know say, even that same day before yesterday when they killed this woman, Naim Baba Agena lash out. Funky did not even know say all these things connect together. But now they say they don't dismiss her. Make I read them small so that Una go just hear. Make I just read this part. They said, our source dismissed speculation that her death was connected with the leak of a December 9, 2019 memo sent to Abba Kyari, the Chief of Staff to President Muhammadu Buhari by the National Security Advisor, Major General Babagena Monguno. She was working in the pension department outside the villa. There was no way she would have come in contact with a memo from Monguno to Abba Kyari, the source said. So I say, every hand they point to that old man when they are so rock, when hijack the presidency. Every hand they point to Abba Kyari. Every evil thing in that country they point to Abba Kyari. If na Lutino, the man they involved. All the whole criminal out so the man they involved. $44 million so the man hand they involved. Some billions of dollars so this same Abba Kyari hand they involved. The killing so Abba Kyari they involved. Okay, look at the other man when they kill Alex Bade. May he so rest in peace. That man when be that big military officer when be Alex Bade. When the news constantly tell us say Alex Bade after in don't meet Aisha Buhari, they go beg Aisha Buhari for one thing when they do, when Funky did not know what they do. At the end of the day, Aisha Buhari can tell us say make he go still meet Abba Kyari. After he don't meet Abba Kyari, the news call later tell us say no, say not come meet the Abba Kyari himself, but in con Abba Kyari can discharge the man. Before you know what they happens, on few days, the man still die. Now so they still assassinate the man when they come back from his own farm. Till today, we don't know how the case go. Till today, police not fit arrest one person. So now, if to say these people now, not forget their phone in that woman's house, when they take kill the woman, rape them, kill them, at the end of the day, therefore not know say, therefore say they don't know who these people be. But at the end of the day, make una see as God they take do in own thing. At the end of the day, these people they forget their phone. Police trace them. Now then they tell us now say he gets some memo when this woman leak consigning Abba Kyari and the wuru when the man they do making out the thing when vest the guy again. I say sure this woman. Then that's why they tell her. Even then tell her say them then they know the Ruga they know then leave Ruga matter then go still come back. This Northerners, these Fulani people, their hand is dirty. They are very, very dirty people. Now, they kill the woman. Where the woman now, when she go take judge her own side, nothing. Abba Kyari go always say, or the presidency go always say, oh, then they dismiss the speculation, not be Abba. But the news they tell you now, say now because of the memo when the woman leak from the woman hand. Every hand they point to Abba Kyari. Abba Kyari hand don't point to and say Naimbi, the de facto president of Nigeria. Hand don't point and say don't do many evil things. Hand don't point out for even in daughter, ladies and gentlemen, they receive 32 million naira every month. I mean every year when they tell us. It can't be every year. It can't be every year. 32 million in daughter. And if you check that, maybe not even go primary school. Now so the game be, the man hijack, everybody look at. But they die. Even Aisha Buhari don't connect the dot, how the man can't take go, but they can't go meet Abba Kyari. Now so but they die. The man still go free. This woman again now connect to this same guy. After they go come the talk, say, why do they talk like that? So the only thing where they talk be say the news, as the news they come, now so we go they give them to owner. Now so we go they give them to owner. Now because you do not get president in that country, that is why everything dey the way when it dey in that country. Because if we get a re-elected president, I'm not sure see things like this go to happen. And because of the way when they take hide ourselves, when they do like say we don't know what thing they do, that is why these things when they do, it will continue until when Nigerian people will stand up against this matter. The matter when they for ground, not be small matter. So ladies and gentlemen, another news don't come out when say court orders the release of Sambo Dasuki's passport. Court has ordered the release of Sambo Dasuki's international passport. Sambo Dasuki na the National Security Advisor, NASA, before. And the man na Colonel, na Army before. Everybody know who Sambo Dasuki be. For those of my viewers who don't know who Sambo Dasuki be, Sambo Dasuki na the man when they release him with Omoyele Sowore. Now, then they tell us now, see, they don't release the man passport. But they not tell us, see, they release Sowore own. Now, the man when they talk, because the man are not Tana. The man na not Tana. So, now today, they order the release. And the judge will order the release in name na Hassan Baba Yusuf of the Federal High Court. Capital Territory, FCT, Abuja. And the court where they go, where they do this judgment today, na Matima. In Abuja there. Now there, the man ordered the release of the international passport when belongs to the former National Security Advisor, Colonel Sambo Dasuki, retired. They not tell us say they release Sowore own. Because I know say then who Sowore own, then who the man own. Now the Dasuki now him be the person when they say, you know, now him they release him passport. Again, another news come and say Hope Uzodinma versus Ihedioha. I am not part of Supreme Court review team, says Wole Soyinka. All of us know who Wole Soyinka be. Wole Soyinka na premier novel, okay? And a professor. He gets some report when come out in the newspaper when they talk say the man, when they speculate, say the man, they among the people, when they monitor the team, when we say they won't go review the forthcoming review for this man what they call Ihedioha and Hope Uzodinma. But that speculation, that news, then they tell us now, say, Wole Soyinka now don't deny, say, in hand, not they inside, among the people when we want review, waiting, they want review, concerning the sacking of Ihedioha and replacing Ihedioha with Hope Uzodinma from All Progressive Congress, APC. So this man now don't clean in hand. They make everybody, they clear everybody say in hand, not they inside the matter when concern anything when concern the reviewing of this case. Make nobody call a name, put the matter. You don't hands up. Nobody, make no anybody call a name, put the matter concerning this issue. Another news again, they talk say the Minister of Transportation, Rotimi Amaechi, say he done lost one of his security advisor when be Mr. Tony Iwelu. The man died through electrocution, according to the news or according to the statement when they release give the press. Say the man electrocuted himself or something electrocuted the man in a hotel when the man inside hotel when the man did. Now we say electric just knocked the man for ground inside the hotel. That is what I'm trying to say. Now we say the electric just they wire yourself or something when shock and they naked there in the hotel when people they sleep or where people they lodge. In fact, the man advisor to the transport minister or minister of transport when be Chibuike Amaechi. Now today now the man self come from Delta State. Now Delta man. You get so ladies and gentlemen, now the news when did there be that the man don't die now. May his soul rest in perfect peace. But for those of una when get hotel, at least una know say na money una they carry put for pocket, make una they maintain una hotel where people where una customer they come, so that other people go they come the more to the patronize owner. Now as this man don't die, the electric don't shock this man die now. Everybody go they take off from the hotel. That is why from KDC make una they maintain on a hotel to get more customers, to make more money. You know if you say your hotel, the electric they keep people for inside your hotel and you go they expect more customers to they come they patronize you. It's impossible. Instead of people to come, people go they run away from the hotel, and you won't get the hotel. Now money, you open that hotel to make money. So as you open that hotel to make money, be ready to maintain your hotel so that at least customers go they come to the patronize you. One love, everybody. The matter when concern this woman, they don't kill the woman. The matter connect again the chief of staff when be Nigerian president Abba Kyari. Now so them talk, now so the news talk. You know, because of the leak, the memo, when they leak. In fact, the people when confess the thing now are the two guys when they catch. Not be the newspaper when write them. Now the people when they catch, now then talk and say, see the reason why, see who send us go, see why we go kill this woman. But Abba Kyari himself never come out come talking on. I don't say that one will not go ever come out come talk anything, because in believe say in the above the law. In believe say nine get Nigeria. No go ever come out and nothing go happen. DSS they no go investigate them, and then hear that name everybody go just take off. And so they take cover up. Everything in Aso Rock na cover up. Everything in Aso Rock na artificial. Everybody in Aso Rock na impostor. Now the matter be that. One love.